Okay, so back in my view for my master slide. Okay, so yeah, we did everything that we need to do with our master slide. Don't forget, once you finish with your master slide, don't forget to close master view. Okay, if you don't close master view and you start doing stuff, you're just going to create sub master slides below your master slide. And when you go to actually print it or view it in normal view, you'll just have one slide and you'll wonder what happened. So make sure you close out of master slide. If you don't close out, or just click on normal view to make sure that you get in there. Okay, the next thing we want to do is it says insert a new slide before slide 1. Okay, so I'm going to go into insert, new slide. All right, just going to move this up because I want it to be before slide 1. And they say that it has to be in a certain style, layout with title and subtitle. So the way I do that is I double click on it. I go down to layout and I'm going to select this one, which is title slide with title and subtitle. And the title they want to be UK Fishing Fleet. UK title. Subtitle is Summary of Species. And they don't indicate font sizes or color, so I'm just going to keep that the way it is. The next thing they do is on this same slide, they say on the first slide, insert a star shape in the bottom right corner, enter the text 2011 in the center of the star. So same thing, I'll go back into, oh, sorry, I'm already in insert. I'm going to click off of this though to make sure that I can put my star wherever it is that I want. And I'm going to go to shapes. Okay, here are all my shapes. Here's the most recent one. I've been actually using the star recently, so I'm just going to click on that. I'm going to put it there. What does it say? Bottom right hand side. Yeah, bottom right corner. Okay, I'm just going to move it up a little bit. Click on that to move it up a little bit. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so that I can see. And I wanted to type 2001 inside of it. Okay. Oop. Yes, 2001. I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger so that 2001 appears all on one line. Next thing, I want to create a vertical bar chart using the data in the file 224type.csv. Okay, so I'm just going to minimize this for now. And here are all my slides. And it is this one here, 224type.csv. Now, I could just click on this and I could do open with Excel. Do not do that, okay? I want to actually import it, okay? If I just click on it like this, open with, I'm going to lose some of the functionality that I can get with Excel. And it might not be imported in the right place. So I'm going to actually open up a new Excel document. Okay, I'm going to make sure that my first cell is selected so that it will import from there. And I'm going to go into data. Get external data from text. Okay, and once again, this is on my desktop. I believe it is in this one here, and the file is 224 type, J224 type. Yep, that's it. I want to import. Don't forget, does my data have headers? It certainly does, so I'm going to click on that so that those appear as headers. All right. Tab, I will click off tab, and it is a comma separated value, so I want to make sure that I have that clicked. And you can see here, great, column is the way it is. Click next. Now, if they told me to change any sort of data type in here, I could do that at this point. My choices are general, text, date. Okay. If I don't want to import any columns, I can skip those by doing that and clicking on that. But we want everything that's in here, and that looks good. Where do I want to put the data? Yep, I want to start filling from A1. Okay, great. So there I have it. And I want to make a vertical bar chart using the data in file J224. So I'm going to select all my data. Okay, and I'm going to go to Insert and Recommended Charts. Be careful, guys. Okay, first one is a horizontal. We don't want horizontal bar chart. You want a vertical bar chart like this, which is wonderful. That looks good. It looks like it's going to have all that stuff in there. Boom, there's my vertical chart. But I'm not done yet because it says on my directions that the title of the chart should be Fish Landed. Okay, so I'm going to just click on the chart title and put in fish. Okay. The next thing we want to do is category series labeled display in full. I have that. Those are my category series, but I need an access title for fish type and number. So I have to put in a fish type, title here and a number title in here. Okay, the way I do that is I click on chart. I'll go to add chart elements, access title. Start with the primary horizontal, which is going to be number. Okay, so I'll click in that, and I want that to say number. And same thing, I want a access title for my vertical, which is going to be fish type. Okay, so that's about everything I need for that chart. I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller so that I can probably just cut and paste it right away. I won't have to worry about any sort of resizing if I have it too big when I put it in there. Okay, that looks great to me. I can still read everything. That should be good. Okay, so I'm going to copy that. Oops, make sure that I copy the whole thing. Copy that. Copy. I'm just going to minimize this. Okay, and now I'm going to go back to my PowerPoint presentation. And they say that they want the chart to be on the left-hand side of the bullet point slide, which is landings by the UK vessel. Okay, so be careful. Oop. Here it is. This is where I want my chart to be in. But they say the left-hand side. Okay, be careful. Read your directions. All right, there's plenty of space here on the right-hand side. If I don't read my directions, I might be tempted just to paste it there. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on all the information, all the text in here. I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. When I have that cross thing like that, that solid 4-point cross. Okay, I'm just going to move this over. Nope, I don't want that. Okay. Tricky. So I can't get my mouse pad to work the way I want to today. So there we go. Finally, I'm going to move that over here. Okay. And I'm going to just now cut and paste my... Nope, I don't want to move just that. I want to move the whole thing. Okay, great. And I can make it a little bit bigger so I can read it. That looks great. Everybody can see. Just a little bit bigger. Make sure that the examiner can see what I've written in there. And that should be good. That should be great. Okay, anything else I need to do? I need to save the presentation. Great, I've already saved that. One thing I want to do is now print the slide by UK Vessels as a full slide. So that's this slide. So I will go to, sorry, make sure that I click on this, and I'll go to File, Print, okay. Print all slides. Nope. I will print the current slide. It's right there. I've already clicked on it, so I can print that up. That would be good. The next thing I want to do is print the presentation as handouts with all 3 slides. So that's the first thing I would print is this single slide. Then I'm going to print all slides. And I'm going to select 3 slides, because that's what they want, 3 slides to a page, and with the information as handouts, and I would print that out. And that is all you need to do for the PowerPoint part of the test. Okay, see you in class.